Bullish Jasmy coin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Jasmy could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive design of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Be that as it may, with this consistent development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information insurance convention that places information a majority rule government at a high worth and plans to go about as a mediator for the protected trade of information and resources through their confidential, individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded estimates. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this demise winding? And what's the cost gauge for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets in this manner, enhancing the conventional method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. Yet the organization used to fabricate it as Global Space Record Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivators of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Also, inside a similar period, Jasmy joined forces with Sagan Tasu, one of the top groups in the Japanese Football Association, and turned into its support. In October 2021, Jasmy coin got recorded on Coinbase and Coinbase Ace. In the new year 2022, Jasmy reported that they intend to extend internationally, primarily into North America and Asia. They mean to cultivate organizations with organizations in light of blockchain and man-made reasoning innovation. The organization allotted Kentaro Miura to assist it with extending its headquarters in the U.S., furthermore, to advance systems administration and partnerships with driving organizations in trend-setting innovation fields like Web3, man-made intelligence, and IoT, predominantly in Silicon Valley and WAC 2022. In April 2022, they cooperated with Mystico Network, a multi-chain protection programming improvement organization, will help client confirmation and guarantee information security and enhancement. Binance cooperated with Jasmy around the same time to offer a Tesla to a fortunate champ. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0. Jasmy has moved 0.05% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,359,410. Jasmy coin is as of now positioned 129 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $231,992,440 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Jasmy coin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Jasmy cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Jasmy coin Jasmy cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the JASMY's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and JASMY might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, JASMY has a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Jasmy coin value forecast 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest JASMY cost in 2031 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. What is the Jasmy coin cost today? Today, Jasmy coin is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $231,992,440. Is Jasmy coin a wise speculation? Jasmy coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto